Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best vacuum sealers in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Nesco Deluxe Food VS12 Vacuum Sealer, 130 watts, kit bags and viewing lid, compact silver. The Nesco VS12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer offers all the versatility and performance you could ever need from a vacuum sealer. Choose from 3 seal settings: dry, moist, and double. Then choose your vacuum pressure, normal or gentle, to keep softer foods safe. The built-in bag cutter and roll storage compartment, with clear viewing window, make this an all-in-one stop for keeping food fresh up to 5 times longer than traditional methods. This sealer can accommodate up to an 11.8 width bag, providing the versatility needed for a wide range of sealing jobs. 2 rolls are included to get you started, one 8.6 x 9.85 roll and one 11.8 x 9.85 roll. The Nesco Deluxe Vacuum Sealer is compatible with any brand of vacuum sealer bags. Number 4. Vacuum Sealer Machine by Mueller Automatic Vacuum Air Sealing System for Food Preservation with Starter Kit. Compact design, lab-tested dry and moist food modes, LED indicator lights. Save money and time. Cooking and meal preparation is now easier, more economical, and faster, as you will be able to equip and organize your freezer with fresh food ready to be defrosted and served, or fresh ingredients instead of freezer-burned food filled with ice crystals, which will probably end up in the trash can. QLDNTBE is here. Fully automatic, simple electric plug-in design with the control center placed on the top panel and soft-touch digital buttons, along with LED indicator lights. A smart device at your family's service. DUL sealing OODE is useful and practical. The Mueller vacuum sealing system is cleverly designed, having 2 selectable modes to provide your food with the best possible preservation based on the type of food you want to seal. Number 3. GLRION Vacuum Sealer Machine, Automatic Food Sealer, Starter Kit, LED indicator lights, easy to clean dry and moist food modes, compact design, silver. Food Vacuum Sealer removes air from specially designed bags. Multi-layer material heat seals to keep air out and prevent freezer burn, reduces spoilage and food waste. And cooking and meal preparation will become easier, more economical, and faster. 2 sealing modes. GLRION Vacuum Food Sealer is designed with 2 selectable modes to provide your food with best possible preservation based on your different types of food. You can also reseal bags of rolls, snacks that you only want to seal. Separated design. You can take off the upper lid to clean the sealer machine easily and safely. Compact size and lightweight design are easy to store and move around. Fits up to 12 with GLRION or other brand vacuum sealer bags and rolls. Number 2. FoodSaver 4800 Series Vacuum Sealer Machine, 2-in-1 automatic vacuum sealing system with handheld vacuum sealer plus starter kit, V4840. Combining both a handheld and standard vacuum sealer, the V4840 2-in-1 vacuum sealer system with automatic bag detection is vacuum sealing versatility at its best. Powerful technology eliminates air from specially designed bags, and automatic bag detection ensures a secure airtight seal to prevent freezer burn. When sealing FoodSaver zipper bags in fresh containers, the convenient handheld retractable sealer eliminates the need for additional attachments. 1 unit does it all. Pull-out drip tray drawer with patented removable dishwasher-safe drip tray helps keep your counters clean. Includes 1 to 11 x 10 vacuum seal roll, 3 to 1 quart vacuum seal bags, 2 to 1 gallon vacuum seal bags, 3 to 1 quart vacuum zipper bags, 2 to 1 gallon zipper bags. Number 1. Bonson Kitchen Food Sealer Vacuum Sealer, built-in cutter and sealer bags, rolls and starter kit, dry and moist food modes, compact design, air sealing system, portable vacuum sealer, black. 5 sealing modes. The Bonson Kitchen Vacuum Sealer is designed with 5 optional modes to provide the best preservation for your food according to your different types of the food. You can choose a dry setting for solid foods or a wet setting for poached, stewed, or steamed foods, gentle mode for fragile foods. This seal a meal vacuum sealer machine also can use for resealing rolls. Even solids like bottles or containers can be evacuated by the vacuum sealer with jar attachment. Keep food fresh longer. Saucified vacuum sealer can effectively remove air from vacuum bags. Multiple layers of material are sealed with a heat sealer to keep air out and prevent freezer or burns, reducing spoilage and food waste. The food sealer's vacuum packing machine keeps food fresh in the refrigerator up to 7 times longer than normal storage methods, instead of filling it with ice crystals and ending up in the trash.